Janeiro.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kenny G. We back with another video, and today we're having a mukbang. And I'm here with my brother Curtis Gainwell, and we just finna talk, have a little discussion while we eat some good wings. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Some fries, home fries. Showing everybody, showing your food, bro. Let me show you. Y'all. Yeah, he put it together. You know, I'm a little bit simple guy. I'm a little bit simple guy, but hey, tag yourself, bro.
Curtis G784.
You see y'all going to subscribe to his page, yo. But I'm finna sit down and talk, man. Have a little discussion, bro. What you been up to, bro?
Yeah, I just really just get back from surgery. You know, I've been doing the therapy. You know.
Yeah.
At home.
For sure.
The editing here and there when I get a chance to get on my computer.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I feel that.
Eating good too, guys.
You been eating good. I can see. I can tell about your choice of food today. You know what I'm saying? We both got the same stuff, but the way you put it together, that shit fire, bro.
It was on time, boy.
And we ain't good too. Yeah. But today, it's raining outside right now, so you know we ain't really doing too much outside today, but we chilling today.
Yeah, man, y'all get ready for a lot of interviews coming. For real. It's smashing right now, you know how it is.
Like I said on the last video, he got his own little personal page where he, go and do his stuff. To interview and stuff. We interview like players and stuff like that, but
What y'all doing that way? What y'all got planned for the day?
What y'all got going on today, huh? What y'all got going on today?
What y'all eating on? Comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Both channels. I know you be on.
Look, here's it. Hey, you tearing it up. Look at those big things coming. Working hard, staying fit. So, what you love to do on a day-to-day basis, Kurt?
Really, just I like to work out a lot, you know.
What did you say?
Well, put me down, we're ready to burn back up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's what you gotta do.
I feel that, bro. I love that energy. So you can't let nothing just hold you down, you know what I'm saying?
Man. We'll try to bring it down, you know. You gotta use that as your motivation.
Oh, for sure.
Get back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ain't never down, though, you know?
Oh, no.
You ain't never down. Always on 10, you know? But
Man, slow down.
man, I can't.
Come on, me.
They won't put that. She put it together. Trust me. And it's good.
So what's your favorite play in the backfield?
What's that?
What's your favorite play in the back when you're in the backfield?
Man, I can't let you know that, boy. I just love to run the ball.
Could you play defense?
Did I play defense?
Could you play defense?
Yeah. Just everything back there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and get ran over.
Defense, just everything back there.
Yeah.
Just get ran over. Hey man, joke. Yeah, one thing, you'll get ran over for sure.
No.
Look at you.
No.
Hey, that's how you supposed to clean the ball, bro. I'm telling you, you ball on.
Yeah, do that, yeah.
I'm telling you.
You just play with me.
Boy.
What?
It's a busting up. I'm not saying it. I'm back at home. Make sure if y'all in town, make sure y'all go check out U-Buns. Right off 49.
Y'all can feed him for 45 cents a day.
Man, got joke. We can feed you 45 cents a day. You like them children. I ain't gonna say it.
No, dude.
I ain't gonna say it because you play too much. I ain't gonna say it. I'm getting it done, bro.
You by yourself.
Boy, you over there hurting it. But yeah, if you can pick one video game, what game would you play?
Man, right now, bro, it has to be, you know, we had the Spider-Man game back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
It gotta be that one, bro.
I love that Spider-Man game. Here go a video of it right here.
For real.
That's how I thought I would input that.
Got me.
But yeah, though. We smash.
What's your favorite video game?
But I ain't gonna lie. My favorite video game.
To play right now.
Always. Right now, it gotta be Warzone. I wish they can put like a little.
I'm talking about back in the days.
Oh, back in the day?
We had a Warzone then.
We did. We had Call of Duty, but the zombies. But other than that, man, nothing. Either Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas. That's the big game. I'm telling you.
I know. We know. You remember the Burger King game we had?
We had a Burger King game, didn't it? That was the fun game. Nah, bro. Bro, how you remember this shit, bro? That shit just came to me.
I'm for real.
Like, we had a Burger King game with the king on the round. It was like Grand Theft Auto.
Oh, where is now?
Bro, that was a fun game, bro. Like, dang.
For real, boy. You said back in the day, think about some shit.
Yeah, back in the day, boy, I know. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. But yeah, I hate to play. Man, right now, I'm on Warzone all the time.
And I'm on Madden. And anybody want it. Oh, for real.
Ain't no man something like anybody want.
Oh, anybody. No, you know, don't get out the way now. Yeah.
Bro, I don't even play man like that.
No, you know what's up, though.
But if I do play man,
What's up?
yo, ass grab, boy.
Oh, really? I got a man right now in the back room.
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna stream one day, man. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna be back streaming. Real soon. Make sure y'all stop by, chat with me on the stream, you know.
If you got Call of Duty Mobile, add me.
Call of Duty Mobile. I don't even play Call of Duty Mobile. I don't like it on the phone. But it's a fun game, though.
There's a billion people on there right now.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know why you just play on the phone?
What?
PUBG.
What?
PUBG. You know play PUBG? Why you play PUBG on the iPad too? Everything. PUBG is the game, bro. I used to play PUBG back my freshman college. PUBG be the game that all everybody in my dorm room used to play PUBG. I always just come to the living room with everybody. And just, hey, add me. We on PUBG for about like 3-4 hours playing. I wasn't thinking about streaming back then because I was just chilling. I was a young chick trying to play ball. That boy smash.
Real though.
You know it's good when you ain't talking. Or if you just hungry.
I don't know what it is, bro. The chicken really. Rain came out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm. The rain came out of nowhere.
It was sunny.
It was sunny then jet.
What you gonna do when you get back to Philly?
My bro. When I get back to Philly, bro, I'm just gonna be gaming. Oh no. I'm trying to go check out the Rocky stuff and stuff like that.
Damn!
Go and try to run the Rocky stuff. But and then that, I mean, I ain't really be doing too much. I don't even really do too much anyway. I stay in the house all the time.
Yeah.
Especially when when I'm not at home. Or when I'm not with family and friends, I'm be ready.
I'm thinking about going back to school.
I'm be ready to ball.
Yeah.
You going back to school?
I'm thinking about it, man.
Okay. I'm going back for sure. You gotta get it. But yeah, though. Hey, there was some nice little wings and little home fries. Nothing spectacular, you know what I'm saying? Yo. It's a blessing, it's a blessing, it's a blessing. Ooh. Yeah, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, good, bro.
Say, bro. Say, bro.
You gotta give me some more.
Say, bro. Say, bro. Say, bro. Hey, bro.
What's up?
Yo, bro.
It's all right there, man. Look at this, man.
Say, bro.
See what I gotta deal with on a daily.
Freight train. What's up, man? Hey, appreciate y'all for stopping by, man. We done eating. Well, I'm done eating for sure.
You don't want to see my plate.
Taking the day. What?
Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel.
Make sure y'all should try our channel cookie.
Right there. CU3 TV, Curtis G784.
See y'all gonna subscribe to our page, bro.
We'll be eating on some more food.
Gang,
Talking
gang,
to you.
gang, gang.
It's just the beginning, bro. It's the beginning. You always better start from the bottom.
Yo, bro.
Yeah.
We out.